to the AutoCAD 2022 Masterclass. No fluff, just the essentials. In this first video, we are setting up for professional precision. First, let's set our units to millimeters. If you're in the US, use architectural. Everywhere else, use decimal. Click Apply, OK. This ensures your 10-foot wall is actually 10 feet. Look at the bottom of your screen. Turn on Ortho mode and Object Snap for perfect straight lines. These are your best friends. Never draw without them. Don't forget to turn on your line weight as well. Type L on your keyboard or you click on line icon at the toolbar. Now draw a vertical and a horizontal line to any length of your choice, but make sure they're long, like this. Now let's create the floor plan using Offset command, type O on your keyboard, and hit Enter. Input the size of the room and click on the line you want to offset. Now that we have a shell, we need to make it look like a floor plan. We're going to use the Modify Trinity: trim, extend, and fillet. You can see some lines has been overlapped, so type TR for trim and trim all the overlap lines. In AutoCAD 2022, the quick mode is a game changer. Just click or drag across lines to delete them instantly. Now you can see it looks like floor plan, no gaps, no overlaps. We are not done. Let's add walls to make it more professional. Adding walls is very simple. Now select the lines and type wall on your keyboard and hit Enter. Type CO for copy and hit Enter 2 times and see the magic. Now let's add our doors and windows to it. Click on Door, go to Properties, change the width to 1,200 millimeters since it's a single door, and the height to 1,200 millimeters. Now you can see it's looking a bit professional. With double door, select Door again, and double-click on Browse in the Properties panel, and select Double Door. Change the width to 1,500 and height to 2,100. Apply the same method when adding windows. Now we're almost done. You now see that creating a floor plan is easy. Don't forget to set unit to millimeters and also turn on Ortho mode and Object Snap before drawing your floor plan. Subscribe for more videos like this.